Good morning, friends. Today we want to discuss MCQ of lesson number 7. Material is already given to you and we want to discuss related the MCQ. So first we have to discuss the multiple choice question. So first question is, from here we have to discuss. So first question is, which of the following number must be subtracted from 345 to get a perfect cube? So first of all, we know that 1 to 10 cube. 1 cube, that is 1. 2 cube, that is 8. 3 cube, that is 27. 4 cube, that is 64. 5 cube, that is 125. 6 cube, that is 512. 216. 216. 7 cube, 343. Now 7 cube is 343, so it is near the 345, so it is near to 343. So with out of 4 options are here, and I have to minus to get 343, so I have to minus 2. So 343 minus 2, we can get 343. So 343 is a perfect cube of 7. So answer of first is, that is 2. That is our answer. Now which of the following number is a perfect cube? So just now 1 to 10 cube already we have written. So here unit place is 3. When unit place is 3, it is a cube of 7. So either 7 cube or 17 cube or 27 cube. So here 443, 543, they are not the cube. Perfect cube is only 343. So 343 is the second answer. So in answer second, 343. Now, which of the following number must be multiplied to 392 to get a perfect cube? Which of the following number must be multiplied to 392? So now from 392 I have to make a factor of 392, prime factor. So from 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are. Again from 2 9s are 18, 2 8 again 2 49, 7 7 7 1. So 2 the power 3 and 7 the power 2. So to make a perfect cube, always remember prime number must be come 3 times. Prime number must be 3 times. So here 2 is in form of 3 times, but 7 is in form of 2 times. So I have to multiply 7 the power 1. So 7 is at here. So 392 multiplied by 7 to make a perfect cube. 3 and 4 is not possible. So which of the following number must be multiplied to 392? So 7 must be multiplied to 392, a perfect cube. Now if I multiply 392 with 7, the number which come, it is a cube of 14. It is a cube of 14. So again prime factor 3 times must become here 2 the power 3 and 7 the power 2 is there. 7 the power 1 I have to multiply. So second answer, in third answer is 7. Now we go for the next. Which of the following number 10648 must be divided to perfect cube? So again I have to make a prime factor of 10648. Start from 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Again 2. 2 2s are 2 6s are. Again 2 6s are 2 2s are. Again 2 1s are 3 3 1. So again 11, yeah, it is a cube of 11. 1331 is a cube of 11. 1. So 1, 2, 1. Again with 11. 11, again with 11, 1. So what if you will see properly, 1068 must be divided. So here already it is a cube of 2 the power 3 and 11 the power 3. So it is already a cube. So if question is by which of the following number must be divided to get a perfect cube. So out of these options, it is not possible to divide. Either it should be 1 or 8. If here it is 8, if it is 8 at here, then we can divide it by 8. So option is here it is 8. It must be 8, not a 5. It must be 8. So we can divide it by 8. So if 8 should be divided, we can get a perfect cube, that is 1331. If 8 is at here, then it is possible. Otherwise already it is a perfect cube. So sometime maybe possible questions errors are there. So in this, if here it is 8, so we have to divide it by 8. Now, which of the following number cube whose each side is 4? So volume of cube is equal to a the power 3. That is 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. So 64 is at here. So answer is 64. So this is easy. So again here we have take answer 7. Here we can take answer 8. Again see here we take 64. So first 5 MCQ already I am give the answer related 8. So in first it is 2. In second it is 343. In third it is 7. In fourth it is not 5, it is at 8. Then it is possible. And here 64. Now next, which of the following is not a perfect cube? So we can say that 9 is not a perfect cube because it is a square. So we can say answer is 9. Cube of 4 is again 4 into 4 into 4. That is 64. So answer is 64. Here value of 3, that is wrong, 5 the power 3. Value of 5 the power 3, that is 125. Value of 5 the power 3 means I have to make a 5 into 5 into 5. Number of even, okay, so here it is, A option is. Cube of even number is always, remember, even. If I write 2 cube, that answer is 8. If I write 4 cube, answer is 64. If I write 8 cube, answer is 512. So always unit place is even when question is in form of even. So answer is, when cube of odd number is always odd. Cube of odd number is always odd. So now 3 cube, that is 27. 3 cube, that is 27. 5 cube, that is 125. 7 cube, that is 343. 9 cube, that is 720. 9 cube, that is 729. So when odd is there, odd. So when even is there, even. Odd is there, odd. Now each prime factor appears how many times? 3 times. 3 times. So here it is answer. Why we can say 3 times? Because cube means A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Question number 7. Hardy Ramanuj number, first page. If you open the textbook of chapter 7, in first page, it is Hardy Ramanuj number. So I think we have completed these 7. So now we go for next page. Again this number is already come. 392, that is I have to multiply by 7. Smallest number 243 must be multiplied to perfect cube. Again I have to make a prime factor of 243. That is 4 2 plus 4 6 plus 3 9, so divided by 3. Again 3, 27. Again 3, 9. Again 3, 3. Again 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 the power 3 and 3 the power 2. So how many numbers still remain to make a perfect cube? 3 the power 3, 3 the power 2 multiply by 3 the power 1. Because any number should be 3 times. So 3 should be again yet here 3 times. And then 3 should be 3 times if I multiply by 3. So if I multiply by 3, the answer is 7 to 9. It is a cube of 9. So answer is 3, not a 9. That is a correct answer. Smallest number by 704 must be divided to obtain perfect cube. Question number 10. We are discussing question number 10. So answer of 8 is 7. Here it is 3. Now 10th. Question number 10. Again same thing we have to do. 704. I have to make a prime factor of 704. So 3 2 is 6. 5. Again 2. 2 1 is 2 7 is 2 6 is. Again 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 6 is. I have to write it here 704. So we have to divide it by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is and 2 2 is. Again 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 7 is 14. 2 6 is. Again 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Again 2. 44. Again 2. 22. Again 2. 11. So 11 only remaining at here. So 2 the power 3. Again 2 the power 3 into 11. So who is spare now? 11 is extra. So I have to divide it by 11 to make a perfect cube. Same thing, 135 should be divided by. So again I have to make a prime factor of 135. So here it is with the 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are. Again 3. 15. Again 3. 5. So 5 is spare. So 135 factor is 3 the power 3 and 5. So 5 is spare it here. So I have to divide it by 5. So answer is 5. Clear everyone? So I am explaining all the and give you the answer. So here it is 11. Now 135 should be 5. It is not a perfect cube. So 216 is a perfect cube. 2 1s are perfect. 3 4 3. 125 is perfect cube. 10 is not a perfect cube. So answer is 108. Expand of a the power 3. So a the power 3 means I have to write a 3 times. So where it is? It is in D. Which of the what will be the unit digit of cube of number ending with 2? So if 2 cube is there, what I have to write? Answer is 8. What is the unit digit of cube of number ending with 2? So if I write the 2 cube, then answer is 8. So unit place is 8. What is the unit digit of cube number ending with 4? So 4 cube. 64. So again 4 is there. What will be the unit digit of cube of a number ending with 6? So again 6. Cuboid has, now it is important sum. Cuboid has dimension 5, 2 and 5. So you know volume of cuboid is equal to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. So 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now cuboid should be converted into the cube. So if I make a cube, then what it should be, length and breadth should be equal. So 5 the power 2 and 5 the power 1. Now how much I multiply to make 5 and 2 equal? So 5 the power 1 and 2 the power 2 that I have to multiply. મારે આનાથી મલ્ટીપલ કરવું જોઈએ. So we can get 5 the power 3 and to the power 3 to make a perfect cube. So 5 the power 1 and to the power 2, that is 20. 2 the square, 2 square is 4, 4 5 are 20. So I have to multiply with 20. If I multiply with this 20, it will be 1000. So 1000 is a cube of 10. That is why I have multiplied by 20. Same sum, how many cuboid dimension 15, 30, 15 needed to form a cube? Same sum. As 17, you have to do it yourself. 15, this it means 3 into 5. 30, it means 2 into 3 into 5. 15, that is 3 into 5. So now 5 always should be 3 times. 3 should be 3 times. Now 2 is in form of 1 time. So to the power 1 is there. So to the power 2 I have to multiply. It means 4. So multiply by 4. 729 is a cube of 729 is a cube of 9 the power 3. So here it is 9 the power 3, not a 93. 9 the power 3. Which of the following is a perfect cube? Again same number. So 125 is a perfect cube. These are all not. So mostly in 7 chapter the MCQ patterns I have already discussed. These are all the subjective that will be discussed in next lecture. So I think in next week you have an exam. On that time we can clear your doubts by make the revision lecture. So I think it is sufficient today. Now we have to stop this.